Welcome back to another build day breakdown. This one was a little bit different. There was a slight chance of some light rain all day, so we were just taking precautions by doing the roof one slope at a time. So in case we did need to stop the project, we are always near a close stopping point that is safe for the property. So the first shingles that go down look a little different. They look like this. They have a sealant strip that seals down the entire perimeter of the roof. It's very important that you do that because that very first shingle is what's going to hold down the main fort for the whole rest of the roof. If wind gets under that first one, it's just going to lift up everything like a parachute. Here's the left slope of the home getting prepped up for the shingles. I don't know if y'all have ever carried a bundle of shingles, but they are not light. And these guys make it look like it's light work carrying it up three bundles up the ladder. Come on now. It's crazy. Y'all make sure y'all have a contractor that's going to be there on the job site all day, because it's very important if the crew needs something or if something were to happen to the property or the home, that you're there and can assess that issue as soon as possible, because these things are very important. Last shingles to go on are the ridges. Once these are on, it's just getting your final touch-ups, paint, making sure everything's silicone properly, and you're good to go.